Hello everyone, welcome to Code Simplified. So this will be the second lecture on Google ADK agents. If you are excited about AI agents and if you want to understand how Google is building real production ready agent systems, then you are in the right place. This will be the second lecture of Google ADK agents where we will be installing Google ADK agent in our platforms. So let's start in a simple beginner friendly way. So first, to learn about Google AI agents, we have to go to Google ADK agents platform. So from here, you can be learning about ADK agents. You can explore about ADK agents. So this is the platform where we will be making the ADK agents. So this is the documentation. For documentation purpose also you can learn. So this is a simple installation file. So first we will be going to the VS Code. Okay. So just making the new folder. So okay, so we'll be starting about the ADK agent installation. So let's start. So first we will be making a directory. Let's say mkdir. So as the directory have been created, we will be just making the means we will be just going into the directory. Then we will be making the a VNV means a virtual environment. We will be making it. So this is the code Python and VNV NV. Now we will be just activating the env. So I am using that PS1 due to PowerShell, Windows PowerShell only. Nothing new. You can just activate also, but I am doing this greater purpose. So now you can see it is activated. Now just one thing we have to do is to just copy the code and paste it here. I use virtual environment because in the upcoming videos now we will be making more progress on these videos. So it's better to do in a virtual environment because you will be working on multiple files and you don't want to create another new file. So it's better. So as you can see, various libraries will be installed for Google ADK agents. I think it has been installed. Let's see what happens now. I think it is installed. It is taking some time, but it is installed. Hmm. So this is installed. So now to run this, we will be just creating an agent like ADK create mm, agent one. Yeah, yeah. So here you can see that an ADK agent has been created. So for the upcoming videos, so how to work with the ADK agent, we will be again doing another video. This is a simple installation video. So after this, like what we will be doing, how we will be using the model like Gemini 2.5 Flash or any other model, what API keys we will be using, it will be discussed in the upcoming videos. Thank you. Like and subscribe my channel.